Gender-affirming surgery can be anything that changes a person's physical appearance to align it more with their gender identity. It can be life-saving for trans individuals, and for one Savannah man, when he found out that his surgery was no longer being offered, he says he was devastated.
I'd be able to breathe for the first time. I'd be so free.
It was freedom that Indigo was hoping his upcoming surgery would bring him. Right now, he wears a binder to compress his chest.
And if I'm not wearing a binder, then I'm completely disassociating from my body at all times.
Indigo was set to have a mastectomy soon and had scheduled the surgery here in town when he got a call.
On Thursday, we got a call from Seaport Plastic Surgery saying that Memorial Health had pulled gender-affirming surgeries from their roster, basically. They're not going to be continuing doing any gender-affirming surgeries with Seaport.
Indigo was crushed.
It's absolutely devastating to keep trying and trying and trying, only to be basically pulled from under the rug, to not even be able to have a chance to do it anymore.
For him, this wasn't just about appearances. Indigo hoped this surgery would help him with his mental health as well.
Getting on testosterone from my first day was the first time I've ever felt a need to live.
When asked if he has plans to try and get a procedure somewhere else, even out of state if needed.
This is it. I can't go anywhere else. It's too expensive to go anywhere else.
I spoke with Memorial Health over the phone. They would not do an on-camera interview, but did give us the statement that reads, Memorial Health has never had a gender-affirming surgical program which would require certain standards of care across multiple clinical disciplines. Like other hospitals, we have a responsibility to follow state and federal laws and regulations. For gender-affirming surgeries, there are laws and regulations around age. We follow those. Licensed physicians use their training and experience to exercise independent medical judgment to assess patients' needs and determine the course of treatment within those laws and regulations. After I've tried to get clarity on what's changed or could have caused Indigo's surgery to be canceled, I was referred back to their original statement. Reporting from our newsroom, Bronte Sorotsky, WTOC News.